friends and crafters, welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's project, I want to share with you these super cute snow globe ornaments. Now, these make perfect gift for friends, co-workers, teachers, anything like that you're looking for something that is quick to make, beautiful to give, and something that'll be cherished and remembered for a very long time. Before I get into the project, let me just say, if this is your first time here or you are new, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? And for all my returning friends and subscribers, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. Okay, so these are snow globe ornaments, and I use this die right here from Scrapdiva Design. I think it's called snow globe ornament. I'm not sure, but I will have a link to this die in my description box below to make it easy for you to purchase this. I highly recommend this die. I love this die. I love making these. I went on Scrapdiva Design's site to look and see if this was still available, and I noticed it was marked down to $11. So this might be a good time to grab this if you are interested in this die. Like I said, I highly recommend that you have this in your stash because it makes such a cute gift. And then this is an older Scrapdiva Designs die. It has the heart cutouts in the bow, and I use this a lot. Before I get started here, let me take a drink. Okay, so these are super easy to put together. You see you've got two dies here. You're going to cut this out, the two out, and the two makes your snow globe bottom. And then you cut one of this and one of this, and it has the little score lines in it, and you just bend the score lines, and then you create your top and bottom. So there's the bottom. It's completely covered. And then the top is this piece, and it will have, it doesn't show here. I guess I got them going the wrong way. But this is the top. And you'll see you have all these little teeth here. So that's where you push your Christmas ornament into. And you put glue around here and push the ornament in, and it'll hold. Now, I didn't put anything inside my little globe on the bottom because I thought mine would be ornaments and it didn't have to be, you know, too steady. You can put some little rice in there if you want to make it heavier or what have you. And then to decorate, I use this here. This is some tinsel wire garland, and I got this at Walmart. I don't know when. It wasn't this year, but they usually have this. They usually have, definitely have silver and gold. If you're lucky, you might be able to get red and green. And then also, I got this one. And this one I use because you have this circle. And this circle right here is what you're going to build your scene on. So I put this on the, I just make a little circle, and then I wrap it around. So you can see, I just wrap it around like that, about a circle that big. I snip that and I glue that onto my circle. And then you could see on the inside of this, it looks like snow. Now you could put, make this a actual snow globe with the little foam balls like this in gold or white, but I didn't do that. That's up to you. You make them the way you want to. Excuse me. So these trees on the inside, I mean, I have so many of these trees, I'm embarrassed. I must have 1,000 trees. I pick them up whenever I see them on sale or something I like. And I said, I can't buy any more of these trees. I'll never use them all. So I have different sizes, so I layered them up in here. This little deer comes from Hobby Lobby, and you could get them in the miniature ornament section. And I just put a little poinsettia in the middle, and there is my bow. Okay, and then I have this one here. This has a cute little Santa Claus. This is also in the, that's not a Santa Claus, it's a snowman. You could see he's flat on the back, but it doesn't look that way when you look through the front. And I'm sorry for the glare, but you could get that at Hobby Lobby. I got that this year at Hobby Lobby in the miniature ornament section. And there's the trees. I used 3 different sizes, and I put a little red foam ball in the center to just dress it up. And this also came from Hobby Lobby, but not this year, this little trim. You can use whatever you have on hand. Okay, this is a Santa Claus for sure, and he's holding a little tree, and he's got 3 trees. So I'm able to put 3 trees and a little figurine in my globe. And these globes, I did not get these at Hobby Lobby. I got these at Michael's a year or 2 ago. I had them in my stash. And they're 3-inch balls, and they open up. So they have the sides. So just so you know what to buy if you are going to be making these. And I put a little poinsettia here. There's a little bow there that matches the paper on the bottom. And he is super cute. Then I got this little gingerbread. This gingerbread comes from Hobby Lobby as well. And the little star on top of the tree comes with that gingerbread. And as you can see, I've got 3 trees. I've got a little red ball there. You decorate them how you want. And then here, now if you can't find this kind of stuff at Walmart, I use just a regular green pipe cleaner. I thought it looked good. Okay, I did show you the Santa. I got 2 Santas. Here's this one. He's got a present in this one. Okay, and I got this snowman. And this fuzzy fur also comes from Hobby Lobby, and you just put it around the base of your Christmas bulb. And I do tie little sheer ribbon on the top, and I leave it undone so whoever puts this on their tree, they can tie it the way they want. And there's that one. That one's got a little fur. This is another deer. 3 trees. I am sorry for the glare. This one is a little Santa bear. I believe Hobby Lobby still has those. So you see again 3 trees and a poinsettia in the front. Some I put a poinsettia, some I didn't. Here's another little gingerbread. And a pipe cleaner. And this, I've got a pipe cleaner on this one. And that's a little snowman from Hobby Lobby. And these little houses in here are made from a magnolia die, a doohickey die. I love these little houses. I put a little gingerbread in here with this little gingerbread house. And here's that red trim. And then I have a gingerbread house with no gingerbread. So you can decorate them however you want to. They're so cute, so fun, and make a great gift. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If so, please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. I appreciate it. Until next time, remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.